Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Children, are you practicing letters with sound? Yes, very good. So children, today we are going to learn some more new letters with sounds. Are you ready children? Before that, once again we will say and write the letters from S to B letters. Let's say and write. Capital S and small s. Name of the letter is S and sound of the letter is S. Next, capital A and small a. Name of the letter is A and sound of the letter is A. Next, capital T, small t. Name of the letter is T. Sound of the letter is T. Capital I, small I. Name of the letter is I. And sound of the letter is E. Capital P, small p. Name of the letter is P. And sound of the letter is P. Capital N, small n. Name of the letter is N. And sound of the letter is N. Next, capital C, small c. Name of the letter is C. And sound of the letter is K. Capital K, small k. Name of the letter is K. And sound of the letter is K. Capital E and small e. Name of the letter is E. And sound of the letter is A. Capital H, small h. Name of the letter is H. And sound of the letter is H. Capital M, small m. Name of the letter is M. And sound of the letter is M. Capital R, small r. Name of the letter is R. And sound of the letter is R. Next, capital D, small d. Name of the letter is D. And sound of the letter is D. Capital G and small g. Name of the letter is G. And sound of the letter is G. Capital O and small o. Name of the letter is O. And sound of the letter is O. Capital U, small u. Name of the letter is U. And sound of the letter is A. Capital F and small f. Name of the letter is F. And sound of the letter is F. Capital L and small l. Name of the letter is L. And sound of the letter is L. Next letter is B. Capital B and small b. Name of the letter is B. And sound of the letter is B. Children, now learn next letters. Children, today we are going to learn J, Z, V, W, Y, X and Q letters. Capital J and small j. Name of the letter is J. And sound of the letter is J. Children, Let's learn some pictures with J sound. Are you ready now? Yes. J as in jellyfish, jeep, joker, jug, jungle and jar. What is the letter, children? Capital J and small j. Sound of the letter is J. Next letter is Z. Capital Z and small z. Sound of the letter is Z. Let's learn the pictures with Z sound. Z as in zigzag, zip, zebra, zoo and zero. Next letter is V. Capital V and small v. Let's learn the pictures with V. Sound of the letter is V. V as in van, vegetables, violin, vase, vulture and village. Next letter is W. Capital W, small w. Sound of the letter is V. Now let's learn the pictures with V sound. V as in watermelon, window, wall, well, watch and whale. Our next letter is Y. Capital Y and small y. Name of the letter is Y and sound of the letter is Y. Let's learn the pictures. Y as in yellow, yak, yarn, yacht, yawn, yelling. Next letter is X. Capital X and small x. Name of the letter is X and sound of the letter is X. Let's learn the pictures. X-ray, X-rocks, X-max tree and xylophone. Our next letter is Q. Capital Q and small q. Sound of the letter is Q. Q as in quiet, Q, queen, quill, quilt and question mark. Now let's write the letters. Capital J and small j. Name of the letter is J and sound of the letter is J. Capital Z and small z. Name of the letter is Z and sound of the letter is Z. Capital V and small v. Name of the letter is V and sound of the letter is V. Capital W and small w. Name of the letter is W and sound of the letter is V. Capital Y and small y. Name of the letter is Y and sound of the letter is Y. Next letter is X. Capital X and small x. Name of the letter is X and sound of the letter is X. Capital Q and small q. Name of the letter is Q and sound of the letter is Q. Children, complete this page. Children, today's thought of the day is one good friend is better than 10 bad ones. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.